What's up, free coin holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again, we are going to talk about the free coin future. What's the current price of free coin? What's the price change for the free coin? And this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Let's start the video, my friends, without wasting any time. The current price of the free coin at this time in the market, you can see here is 0.000004 USD dollar. That is the currently at this time live price of the free coin. On the other side, you can see here, if you look the BTC price of the free coin, so the Bitcoin price of the free coin is 0.00000009, very low price, my friends. I can't count the number of zero here, but anyways, let me show you, my friends, the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the free coin. Every update you can see now on the screen. Let me show you, my friends, the price changes. My friends, the price changes, you can see here, yesterday the price of free coin falls down for a little time, but after some passage of falls, after some passage of time, the price of the free coin again start explosion and again start jumping, my friends. You can see here, my friends, the last 1 week in pricing is positive, last 24 hours pricing is negative, last 1 hour pricing is again positive, my friends. Only the last 24 hours pricing is negative. You know what, my friends, yesterday the people are disappointed by the free coin. They understand that they have no idea to take a pump in the future and they decide to sell. So they are disappointed, my friends. This decision is very bad. You have to hold, my friends. Why you decide to sell? That's not a solution. Anyways, at this time my prediction is positive about free coin, and I believe that they will give us profit in the future, my friends. Free coin will give us profit in the future, so that is why I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, it's time to buy more and more and make a profit with the free coin. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about free coin? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.